Sanibonani ninjani, welcome back to our YouTube channel, my YouTube channel, your YouTube channel, our YouTube channel. Today, if you have not left any comment, please do make sure that you do comment, or you subscribe, or you engage, or you press like. Just do something. Today we're speaking about indaba kaCwecwe eyaduma kakhulu nothisha nhloko wakhona uyakho Peters wase Bhekview College in Matatiele, where a 7-year-old was allegedly kind of raped. Kuthiwa ke namanje he has parted ways with the school, the Bhekview College, who was falsely said to be suspect in the young girl's rape. Bhekview College is in the Eastern Cape. It said he has peacefully parted ways with Peters, who was at the center of the alleged yokuthi uyena wadlwengula lo mntwana. In a letter to parents ebhalwe ngomhla 30 July, the chairperson of the board of the school board of trustees said that Bhekview College and Peter have parted ways by mutual agreement with effect from 30 June 2025. A detailed communication regarding this matter will be issued in due course. The board has resolved to appoint Mr. T. Cook as an acting principal to 31st of December 2025, during which the board will recruit the services of a full principal in terms of the Bhekview College recruitment. So uPeter ke waye accused ngokuthi wadlwengula ingane wayesithi cha. He then later laid defamation charges against African National Congress Secretary General Fikile Mbalula, Economic Freedom Fighters uLeader Julius Malema, and the Eastern Cape MEC for Education uFundile Gade for accusing him of ukudlwengula lwamntwana. Kwase kuthi ku-suspended police minister Senzo Mchunu also said sorry and cleared Peters of the claims after they first falsely saying he was the suspect in the young girl rape. Yafifrola guys, yase ithatha ke lecala yaziphathela lona, yase yasho ukuthi cha izoba ilona ezohamba ibhekele lecala ukuze bakwazi ukuthi bafike evuthondwabeni yayo, ngoba iNPA yabhilivelela ekuthenini uthisha nhlobo wabo ayinalo abanabo iqiniso ukuthi wayidlwengula. iNPA yalihoxisa icala lokudlwengula ngoba ithi ubufakazi abukho kanti ke uPeters wavulela ke libona ke labo sopolitiki sengishilo amacala ukuthi bamhlambalazi. iBhekview College ke yona lelapha eEastern Cape ayifonanga ukuthi ikhiphe imininingwane ephelele ukuthi kungani isinxosha lo thisha lo ekubeni ke yayikade improtector sonke lesikhathi. But kunezinsolo ezithi ilentuzane into eyenze ukuthi uPeters axoshwe is because kunamacala amanye avelile awafakelwa abanye bemndeni yakhe ukuthi usolwa ngokuthi wanukubeza ezinye izingane zakhe. That's what ukukhulunywa sizokhumbula ukuthi ke icala laCwecwe la kususa umkhulu umsindo, but emveni kwalokho ke abaningi abazali abaqala bakhipha ingane zabo lapha ecollege bangabe basafuna ukuthi zizosebenza. But icala ke lakhe ke uPeters icala likaCwecwe lavele laphelela emoyeni, namanje singazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoba kwathiwa akuzange kutholakale uketshezi lobudoda endaweni yangasese iyomntwana lona 7-year-old, okwenza ukuthi kube nzima ukuthi bakwazi ukuprosecutor or whoever okanye noma ubani owayesolwa ngalelicala. MakaCwecwe ke wayekhona ke inkundleni zokuxhumana, abanye abaningi babemsola okanye bethi cha lento ayishoyo ingamanga ingoba befuna nje ukuthi akhokhele imoto zakho, which guys I believe ukuthi even if that's the case, but you can't just actually put impilo yomntana wakho engozini kangaka ngoba wena ufuna imali, knowing the fact ukuthi lengane isazokhula ifunde ibone zonke lezi zinto online. So I don't think that was the case. I think it's just the people nje ababezikhulumela bezuhumela okanye befuna angazi ini, but angikholwa ukuthi khona umzali ophilayo ongavela decide nje ukuthi manje ngizohamba ngiyothenga nemidlwengo leyo. But the bottom of the line is there were marches all over the provinces, in KZN, in Joburg, in Eastern Cape, in Cape Town. Everyone was saying justice for Cwecwe, and kwagcina kuphele kanjalo-ke. Instead uprincipal-ke obesebopha-ke ebopha state, ebopha premier, ebopha MEC, ebopha umchunu, ebatshela ukuthi njengoba nje ekade solwa angeke sakwazi-ke ukuthi ayivumele lo into leyo. Thank you so much for listening. Please make sure that you do subscribe and you do leave a comment.